Today I'm going to be teaching you how to play Never Be Alone by Shadow on guitar. So we start 5th fret on our 3rd string, 4th fret, 2nd string, then your 6th fret, then your 3rd fret on your 1st string, then back to your 6th fret on your 2nd string, then 4th fret. Next you're going to wait a second and play the 4th fret again. Then you're going to play your 6th fret on your 1st string. Then you're going to go back to your 4th fret 2nd string, play that. And then you're going to play your 3rd fret on your 1st string. You're going to go back to your 4th again and play your 6th fret on your 2nd string. Now, all together.